And waiting for a couple people to let me know that they're finishing the chat. If you completed, go ahead and put in the chat. We're gonna walk through one together. I will allow you to unmute yourself as long as you don't have music playing in the background. All right, I'm going to share my screen. And in the chat, or you can unmute yourself. Let me know what I should put in. So for breakfast, what should I eat? Some cereal. So I add my cereal. What else? I have cereal without milk, right? All right, what else should I have for breakfast? Like a piece of fruit. All right, that should be good enough for breakfast, right? Anybody? August? Sean? Miss Trent? Anybody?
For breakfast?
Yes. So I got cereal, I got milk, and I got a banana.
I think that's pretty good.
All right, let's move on to lunch. Sean, what we eating for lunch? What? Hamburger and French fries?
Yeah.
Fish sticks? Those are fish sticks. I don't know.
What about some fruit?
Some fruit. We put some veggies up there and make a school lunch. All right, what's fruit?
August, which one do you like, orange or kiwi fruit?
Anybody can chime in.
Where did August go?
Right here.
August Smith. Yeah. Hi. What should Mr. Day eat? The oranges or the kiwi? Oranges? Okay.
Oranges.
Thanks, August.
All right, so what should I have to drink?
It's still for lunch?
Yes, for lunch.
I'm gonna go with a little fruit drink. You know, everybody love a little, juice box.
What's that? What is it? Dragon Punch they be drinking? Dragon Punch. Somebody's in the chat. All right. Oh, you said apple juice. We already got juice. We'll come back for that snack. All right. So snack time. You said apple juice. We have it. All right. We got some apple juice. All right. So we reached our requirements for fruit. What else do we have for our snack?
Are there hot Cheetos up there?
I don't think they got hot Cheetos.
I'm just kidding.
I know.
We still can't blast off yet?
Nah.
Okay.
We're at 950 as far as fuel, but we got to get all these in green. And we still got to do our activity. So, I know some of y'all probably want some cookies for us today. And maybe some, I don't know, we'll just go with the cookies. All right, so for dinner, we need some vegetables, because we ain't been getting a lot of those. We need a little bit of protein. We need a little bit of grain. And we need some more dairy. And then we need a fitness activity. So we got 2 minutes left. Can anybody give me what we should eat for dinner? We need some vegetables.
Pizza. Just kidding. That's not a vegetable.
Not a vegetable, but it is a dairy, so we do need that grain and we need that dairy.
Okay, you're welcome. I got you there.
All right. So vegetables, we go salad,